kids, let's learn about how to save Earth. To clean up our environment, we just remember 3 R's. These 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce water and energy by shutting the tap off when you brush your teeth, turning off lights when you are not there, and last, unplug your chargers when there is no need. Then reuse. Reuse all things instead of tossing them into trash. Use glass bottles instead of disposable water bottles and use the backside of a computer paper for a drawing. Finally, we can recycle glass bottles, cans, and cardboard so they can be used. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. And finally, you can just plan your usage better. So, don't need to use 10 pieces of papers to take notes. And reuse some of it. Got too many newspapers stored up? You can use them for packing or even cleaning. Maybe you can even sell them and raise funds for a good cause. There is just so much you can do if only plan things better. Remember, this earth belongs to all of us, and it is up to us, each and every one of us, to take care of it. Play your part. Take responsibility. So, here we have an assessment here. You have to give any two examples for each R, like reduce, wastage of water, reuse, paper, recycle, plastic bottle. So, you have to give some other examples. So, there is an activity as well. Make a trash bin by using cardboard, plastic bottles, etc. Take a picture and post. Okay, this is the lesson for today, and don't forget to stay safe. Bye.